Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce my group. My name is Putra Rastudi Gantara and my friends are Tiara Maharani and Haikal Fatur Rahman. What is the role of the information system function in a business? In all but the smallest of firms, the information system department is the formal organizational unit responsible for information technology service. The information system department is responsible for maintaining the hardware, software, data storage, and network that comprise the firm's IT infrastructure.
The Information System Department. The Information System Department consists of specialists such as programmer, system analyst, project leader, and information system manager. Programmers are highly trained technical specialists who write the software instruction for computer. System analysts constitute the principal link between the information system group and the rest of the organization. Information system manager are leader of team of programmer and analyst, project manager, physical facility manager, telecommunication manager, or database specialist. They are also manager of computer operation and data entry staff. Also external specialists such as hardware vendor and manufacturer, software firm, and consultant quickly participate and the day-to-day operation and long-term planning of information system.
In many companies, the information department is headed by a chief information officer. The CIO is a senior manager who oversees the use of information technology in the firms. Large firms today also have position for a chief security officer, chief knowledge officer, and chief privacy officer, all of whom work closely with the CIO. Chief Security Officer is in charge of information security for the firms and responsible for enforcing the firm information security policy. Chief Knowledge Officer is responsible for the firm's knowledge management program. The CKO helps design program and system to find new source of knowledge or to make better use of existing knowledge in organizational and management process. Chief Privacy Officer is responsible for ensuring that the company complies with existing data privacy laws. Chief Data Officer is responsible for enterprise governance and utilization of information to maximize the value the organization can realize from its data, and users are representative of department outside of the information system group for whom application and development.
The information system function. A small company will not have a formal information system group. It might have one employee who is responsible for keeping its network and application running, or it might use consultant for this service. Larger company will have a separate information system department, which may be organized along several different lines, depending on the nature and interests of the firm. That's all for the presentation from our group. Thank you for watching.